We've got the next question. It's a caller, actually. We've got our first caller of the day. Lokesh is calling us from Andhra Pradesh. Good morning, Lokesh. You want to know about Zomato?
Hello. Hi, yes, sir.
Hi, Lokesh. Please tell me.
I bought Zomato at 230,000 quantity. Can I hold up still?
Okay, what is the time frame that you had, Lokesh? Lokesh, what is the time frame that you had when you bought Zomato? Did you want to hold for more than a year or less?
One year holding.
1 year holding. Okay. I'm going to go to Saurabh on this one. Saurabh, Zomato at 230, the stock is at 209 from what I can see, or 210 or thereabouts, so not too far away from the buy price, but it has been under pressure in the recent past. Would you hold for 1 year?
Yeah, I mean, if you have a time horizon, I think one should have more time horizon of more than 1 year. Then it makes sense to hold. But the point is, this time around on the operational front in the quarterly earnings season, the company is seriously disappointed. They have said that on the blanket side, they are losing money. There is some kind of a slowdown that they witness in the December quarter, and same thing may continue. So that is the reason I think, for the next 2-3 quarters, I think the same episodes can be seen, and the stock may remain under pressure. So 1 year time frame is not enough, for, in my opinion. I think he should have a time frame of 2 to 3 years.
Understood. That's the view coming in on Zomato. Moving on to the next caller, Ricky from Mumbai is calling in. Ricky, a very good morning to you. How can we help you?
Yeah, actually, I'm holding Astral shares to 200 quantities. I have purchased around 1750.
Okay.
So, is it the right time to accumulate more?
Oh, so you want to accumulate more, and what's the kind of time horizon that you're looking for? And did you study the company fundamentally?
At least 5 years. I am thinking to hold it for at least 5 years.
Okay, 5 years is a long period, Ricky. One more question to you, before I move on to our guest. When you bought Astral, what was the kind of thinking? What did you study exactly? Why Astral?
Yeah, because I have a good portfolio. I have around 12 to 15 stocks, but I have query regarding only Astral now, because it is falling too much.
Okay, understood.
In the current time.
Understood. Saurabh, Astral is the counter. How are you viewing it?
First of all, again, I think it is a case of higher valuation, lower growth in terms of operations. In the last quarter also, we see, I think, negligible growth in the revenues, and there was a pressure on the margin side. I think this time around, with the crude prices cooling off, I think most of the raw material prices will get cooled off, and the worry will on the margins will abate. And moreover, I think the higher spend by the government and the sector is per se is looking good. I mean, the company is into the pipes business, and in my opinion, I think next year should be good for the company. But all in all, I would say I think it is better to wait for the quarterly earnings, one more quarterly earnings, and then decide, and keep on holding your stock.
From what I can see, it's still trailing at 74 times, or very, very close to that mark, trailing 12 months PE. And this is much lower than its 3-year average of 94 times. So it's not like the stock is cheap by any stretch of the imagination. It is perhaps to a certain extent correcting, like several others in the broader markets are correcting. The stock is not small by any stretch of the imagination, market capitalization of over 38,000 crore.